Okay, I'm going to play you a series of whoopee cushion sounds, and I want you to rate how funny they are on a scale of 1 to 10.
Okay.
Sound 1.
Give that a 6.
Okay. Pretty classic whoopee cushion sound, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Sound 2.
Okay, that was an 8. That was an 8.
So why was that one funnier?
I like the unexpected interruptions at the beginning, and then at the end it went all high pitched at the end, which was good.
So things being unexpected is important to humour, isn't it?
Mm.
Okay. Sound 3.
Nine and a half.